Hi, Ron here. I'm a regular guy with a keen interest in staying athletic with the passage of time. Hey, time doesn't stop for anyone, and that brings challenges. It's harder to stay in shape, for example. There's also muscle loss, lack of energy, and that missing jump in your stride that, yes, tends to strike after age 40. Well, I'm here to say that Testrx Natural Testosterone Booster may be of interest if any of this resonates with you. You see, Testrx is made with natural ingredients that help the body build muscle and boost energy. It's ideal for guys who want to get in shape at almost any age, whether it's 21 or 75. You'll get better athleticism naturally with Testrx, including better performance, faster recovery, and bigger muscles as a result. Hey, and between you and me, you may also like that Testrx is proven to help things out in the bedroom, should I say. Or to put it another way, you get bigger and stronger with Testrx and more virility as a bonus. So if you're looking for an edge as a guy, be it in the gym, for easier weight loss, more energy, or to get ripped, or just to get your strut back, it's a good bet that Testrx can help.
What's up everybody, my name is John Gavucci. We just wrapped up an intense workout. I'm an IT expert by day, bodybuilder, fitness athlete, coach by night. Fitness is my passion. Tried out Testrx for about 8 weeks. I wasn't expecting a dramatic change. Needless to say, the results surprised me. I did manage to put on about 3 or 4 pounds worth of muscle tissue, which isn't a dramatic increase in weight. And I know some of you may be saying, well, you know what, 3 or 4 pounds is not a lot of muscle tissue to pack onto your frame. Take 2 or 3 pounds, or even, take 2 pounds of chicken breast and place it on your countertop. Now imagine that amount of muscle distributed across your whole body. That's a pretty significant increase in weight. Great product, easy to take, 2 capsules in the morning, 2 at night. I followed that regimen consistently for about 8 or 9 weeks. I saw a reduction in body fat. The body looks a little fuller, a little harder. I changed nothing in terms of my nutrition. Again, this is just taking the supplement alone. Check it out, www.testrx.com. Later.
Thanks for watching. I hope you got a lot from it. Don't forget to click the link below for my special discounted price.